Hey everyone, and welcome to another Voiceflow tutorial video. In this video, we'll be going over creating and linking your Amazon Alexa developer account, which is a fairly simple process, and then we'll show you how to test your project on both ADC, which is short for Alexa Developer Console, and your Alexa device. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so we're back on the Voiceflow canvas, and now we're going to go through the process of creating and linking our Amazon developer account for the first time. Now, if you have your Alexa account linked already, your project will start uploading right away when you click this Upload to Alexa button. But because it's my first time setting up my account, if I hit Upload to Alexa, we're going to be asked to connect to our Amazon account. This part is fairly easy, so you can go ahead and click on Connect Amazon. Now let's go through the process of actually setting up our Amazon Alexa developer account if you don't already have one. It is free to get started, so not to worry, there's no payment needed. So here we are on the Amazon Alexa Developer Console sign-in page, and I know that's a mouthful. Now I already have an Amazon account that I use personally, and so I can sign in here and it's going to give me a one-page form to fill out. And that's going to allow me to quickly turn my Amazon account into a developer account. It's important to note that this will not affect your personal account at all. It's just adding another field to your Amazon account that's going to allow you to be an Alexa skills developer. Now, as I mentioned, if you don't have an Amazon account or you want to create a new account purely for Alexa skills development, it's easy and free to do. You can go ahead and hit Create Your Amazon Account down here, and that will walk you through the process. Once you have created your Amazon account or you have linked to an existing account, it will bring you back to Voiceflow. Great. So here we are back on Voiceflow, and we've signed in with our Amazon Alexa developer account. And you can see it jumps right into uploading our project to the Alexa Developer Console. You can even click on the blue button to see the upload progress. That's really all there is to it. Once your project is uploaded successfully, it is ready to test on either the Alexa Developer Console or directly on your Alexa device. It's really important that you have the right invocation name, or what the user will say to open your skill. If we navigate to the top left here, you have your project name, which in this case happens to be the same as the invocation name. To view or change the invocation name, you can click the Settings button. Once you're happy with it, make sure you are saying Alexa, open my sample project, or whatever invocation name you chose. The other common problem is that people don't have the right Amazon Alexa developer account linked with their Alexa device. So make sure these two are the same account, and you should be ready to test out your projects. You will be able to see your developed skills on your Alexa app on your mobile phone as well, once those accounts are linked. So now that we've successfully uploaded to the Alexa Developer Console, this will allow us to either test on the official Developer Console in the browser with a one-to-one simulation of Alexa, or on our Alexa device. So we're going to head over to this pop-up message on the right, and we can click on this link to head over to the Alexa Developer Console. Once the page loads and we're in the console, you can see that my skill is enabled for testing. I can turn this on and off, and we can actually go ahead and test exactly what our skill would sound like on Alexa. So I can type in the invocation name here and say, open my sample project, and click enter.
Hi, welcome to Voiceflow. Would you like to go left or go right?
Now, if we have our Alexa Developer Console linked with the same Amazon email that we use to sign into our Amazon Alexa device, we can go ahead and actually test this project on a real Alexa device. This is a really great way to get the full experience of what your Alexa skill will be like. As we just showed you, if you'd like to test in the Alexa Developer Console browser, you can do so by clicking on this Test Mode tab, and then using this field right here to get the same experience of what it would be like on Alexa without actually using a device. If you're having any problems getting your Alexa skill to play on your Alexa device, once again, it is extremely important that you check that your Amazon Alexa developer account email is the same one that you use on your Alexa device. It's a very common problem that people are developing on one account and their personal Alexa account is a different email or a different account altogether, and that doesn't allow them to access their prototypes on their device. That brings us to the end of the video. To recap, we showed you how to create and link your Amazon Alexa developer account to Voiceflow, and how to prototype your project on ADC and your Alexa device. For those of you creating for the Google Assistant, make sure to check out our next video, where we show you how to publish your Voiceflow project to the Google Actions console and Dialogflow.